Technology is evolving at a speed faster than ever before. Every year, the world gives us gadgets that once lived only in science fiction. But 2025, this is different. From mind-bending AI devices that make your daily life effortless to futuristic tools that blur the line between imagination and reality. The future isn't coming, it's already here. So buckle up, because today we are counting down the top 10 coolest gadgets you absolutely need in 2025. And trust me, number 1 will make you feel like you're living in the year 2050. Let's dive in. Number 10. AI-powered smart glasses. Imagine living without ever needing a smartphone screen again. The AI-powered smart glasses of 2025 project holographic displays directly into your vision. Need directions? Just look around, and an AR path guides you. Want to translate a sign in another language? Look at it. Boom! Instant translation overlay. These glasses are like having Google, ChatGPT, and a personal assistant inside your eyes, all controlled with just your voice or even your thoughts. It's not just futuristic, it is replacing the smartphone as we know it. Number 9. Smart Hologram Desk Assistant. Meet the gadget that makes Alexa look like ancient history. The holographic AI assistant projects a full 3D avatar right on your desk. You can ask it to schedule meetings, answer questions, even simulations in real time. Instead of staring at a flat screen, you are literally talking to a living hologram that understands you. Whether for work, studying, or entertainment, this device makes your desk look like a sci-fi movie set, except it's real. Number 8. Portable solar-powered power bank 2.0. Tired of running out of battery? In 2025, the solar power bank revolution has arrived. This pocket-sized gadget unfolds into a super thin solar panel that charges your devices anywhere under the sun. Imagine camping, traveling, or even surviving a blackout. This gadget is a lifesaver. And with new batteries, it charges your phone to 100% in under 15 minutes. That's right, 15 minutes and you are ready to go. Number 7. AI-powered personal health scanner. This one feels like pure science fiction. A palm-sized health scanner that analyzes your body in seconds. Just place it against your skin and it detects your heart rate, hydration level, vitamin deficiencies, and even early signs of illness before symptoms appear. Doctors say this could save millions of lives by catching problems before they get serious. And the best part, it fits right in your pocket. Number 6. Smart Kitchen Robot Chef. Cooking just got an upgrade. The robotic AI kitchen assistant of 2025 doesn't just cook, it learns your taste buds. You tell it what you're craving, it suggests meals, prepares ingredients, and even cooks them perfectly. Want Gordon Ramsay level pasta? Done. Want a healthy meal tailored to your body's needs? Done. This isn't just a gadget, it's like hiring a 5-star chef who never gets tired, never burns your food, and always remembers your favorites. Number 5. Foldable and transparent smartphones. You have seen foldable phones, but in 2025, they have gone beyond. This transparent smartphone looks like a sheet of glass when turned off. Switch it on and it becomes a vibrant, flexible, foldable screen. What's cooler, you can overlay it on real objects. Point your phone at a broken appliance and the screen shows you step-by-step AR repair guides directly on the object. The line between screen and reality completely erased. Number 4. Smart Wearable Translator Earbuds. Imagine traveling anywhere in the world and speaking any language instantly. These AI earbuds translate in real time, allowing you to have full conversations with people across the globe. No apps, no delays, just instant communication. For travelers, entrepreneurs, or anyone wanting to connect to the world, this is the key to a truly borderless future. Number 3. Next-gen gaming VR suit. Gamers, prepare yourself. The 2025 VR suit is not just about visuals, it's about feeling the game. Every movement, every impact, every sensation is transmitted directly to your body. Running through a battlefield, you feel the vibration of explosions. Climbing a mountain, you feel the strain on your muscles. Gaming is no longer on screen, it's inside your body. For entertainment lovers, this is a dream come true. Number 2. AI Drone Companion. This isn't just your regular drone. In 2025, drones have become AI-powered companions. Imagine a flying buddy that follows you, records cinematic videos, delivers small packages, and even provides real-time aerial maps while you're hiking. It's like having your own personal flying robot sidekick. Useful, futuristic, and let's admit it, ridiculously cool. Number 1. The AI Home Hub, your digital twin. And finally, number 1. The AI Home Hub of 2025. A gadget so advanced, it feels like you cloned yourself. This isn't just a smart speaker or a home device. This hub learns you. It remembers your habits, your schedule, your mood. It orders groceries before you realize you are low, adjusts lightings and music to match your feelings, protects your home with AI-powered security, and even manages finances. It doesn't just respond, it anticipates. It's a second version of you, always working in the background to make your life effortless. This is the future of living. The future isn't waiting, it's unfolding right in front of us. These gadgets are more than just cool tools. They are stepping stones to a reality where technology blends seamlessly with our lives. So which of these futuristic gadgets blew your mind the most? And if you could own just one in 2025, which would it be? Drop the answer in the comments below. I am curious to see which one wins. If you enjoyed this countdown of the top 10 coolest gadgets you need in 2025, smash that like button, subscribe for more futuristic content, and hit the bell so you don't miss what's coming next, because the future has only just begun. I'll see you in the next one.